Are phone calls or meetings at work stressful for you? Do you find it hard to write papers or important information in English? Is it difficult for you to understand how people behave at work and what they want in English? Now, if any of those questions sound familiar or make you think about your own experiences, I've got some great news. With this method, we promise you will experience a noticeable improvement in your English fluency, especially in the context of the office environment. Pay close attention to the English phrases we share in the video. When I say a phrase, try saying it out loud after me. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Keep practicing these phrases. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Try using these phrases in your everyday conversations at work. Don't be hard on yourself. Learning takes time. Stay positive and enjoy the process. Come back to this video to review the phrases whenever you need to. Now, let's put theory into practice. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Basic phone etiquette. Hello, may I speak with Sarah, please? Hello, may I speak with Sarah, please? I'm sorry, she's not in right now. I'm sorry, she's not in right now. Can I take a message? Can I take a message? Is this the right number for customer service? Is this the right number for customer service? Yes, you've reached the customer service department. Yes, you've reached the customer service department. Can I take a message for Mr. Johnson? Can I take a message for Mr. Johnson? Sure, please let him know I called. Sure, please let him know I called. Could you please repeat that? Could you please repeat that? I didn't catch it. I didn't catch it. Of course, let me say that again. Of course, let me say that again. Is now a good time to talk? Is now a good time to talk? No, I'm quite busy at the moment. Can I call you back later? No, I'm quite busy at the moment. Can I call you back later? Where do you work? Where do you work? I work at XYZ Corporation. I work at XYZ Corporation. When is your lunch break? When is your lunch break? My lunch break is at 12:30 p.m. My lunch break is at 12:30 p.m. How long have you been working here? How long have you been working here? I've been working here for 2 years. I've been working here for 2 years. Can you help me with the printer issue? Can you help me with the printer issue? Certainly, I can assist you with the printer problem. Certainly, I can assist you with the printer problem. What's the deadline for the project? What's the deadline for the project? The project deadline is next Friday. The project deadline is next Friday. Where can I find the office supplies? Where can I find the office supplies? Office supplies are in the storage room down the hall. Office supplies are in the storage room down the hall. Are you available for a quick meeting? Are you available for a quick meeting? Yes, I can meet in about 15 minutes. Yes, I can meet in about 15 minutes. What's your favorite part of the job? What's your favorite part of the job? I enjoy the teamwork and collaboration. I enjoy the teamwork and collaboration. Could you email me the document? Could you email me the document? Yes, I'll send you the document right away. Yes, I'll send you the document right away. When is the company's annual party? When is the company's annual party? The annual party is usually in December. The annual party is usually in December. Do you prefer morning or afternoon meetings? Do you prefer morning or afternoon meetings? I prefer morning meetings. I prefer morning meetings. How do you commute to work? How do you commute to work? I commute to work by train. I commute to work by train. Fill out the form and attach receipts. Fill out the form and attach receipts. Can you provide an update on the budget proposal? Can you provide an update on the budget proposal? I'm working on it and will provide an update by the end of the day. I'm working on it and will provide an update by the end of the day. How do you handle work-related stress? How do you handle work-related stress? I take short breaks and practice deep breathing to manage stress. I take short breaks and practice deep breathing to manage stress. What training opportunities does the company offer? What training opportunities does the company offer? The company offers various training programs, and you can find them on the HR portal. The company offers various training programs, and you can find them on the HR portal. Is there a policy for remote work? Is there a policy for remote work? Yes, there's a remote work policy. Yes, there's a remote work policy. You can find it in the employee handbook. You can find it in the employee handbook. Could you give me feedback on my recent presentation? Could you give me feedback on my recent presentation? Your presentation was excellent, especially the detailed analysis. Your presentation was excellent, especially the detailed analysis. When is the best time to discuss project ideas with the team? When is the best time to discuss project ideas with the team? The best time for project discussions is during our weekly team meeting on Tuesdays. The best time for project discussions is during our weekly team meeting on Tuesdays.